Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, Friday Eve. Why not? All right. Last night, I have this down to a science. I did my plow, which is basically Indian fried rice with a couple twists that I learned from my ex-wife. I don't credit her with much. I credit her with my daughter and plow and teaching me about Indian food. That's it. It was yummy, it was scrumptious, and it went like clockwork. You've got to do it in stages. I will share the recipe, but it's vague notes. That's it. All right? It's self-explanatory, but I'll get it up there. Tonight, to say today, definitely, because I'm doing two parts for tonight's dinner. We're doing chili dogs. That's not the hard part. That's the easy part. Canned chili, yes, cheating. It's not chili season. You know, Nathan's hot dogs, buns, onion, yeah. But today, I'm going to be putting together my macaroni salad. It's the weather, folks, and we'll have plenty of leftovers. Let me show you what's going on. Got some hardware going. For the chili dogs, got good old Nathan's. I'll dice up this half of this red onion using Hormel chili with beans. Of course, hot dog buns. Now let's get to the macaroni salad. We're using elbow macaroni, red bell pepper, which I will chop up, red onion, a little bit of celery, Roma tomatoes, some Italian flat leaf parsley, and for the sauce, which is what makes this unique, is mayonnaise, sour cream, about a quarter cup of cider vinegar. I'm using 2 different Sierra Nevada mustards, about an 1/8 cup of sugar, and of course salt and black pepper. This is a very yummy macaroni salad. The tomatoes just, yeah, make it pop. Read an interesting article from NPR this morning how 4 individuals in this country are suing the Hershey company because the packaging on their Reese's eggs and the medals and pumpkins and footballs don't look exactly like the packaging because they're not engraved or carved. Really? This, I guess, really shows and proves you eat with your eyes. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.